Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. In previous video, we have learned reading and explanation part of the lesson changing times. So on page number 94, some questions it is given. So let's see that questions and try to give answer. Here I have give answers in general. If you want to change answers by your own self, that also you can write. For that, you have to just talk to an elderly person, maybe grandparents, or in neighborhood someone is living, that 80 or 70 plus person who is living around in your house. So you can just sit along with that person and ask these questions. So take out page number 94 from your textbook. Question it is given: talk to any of your grandparents or other elderly person. Find out when she or he was 8 or 9 years old. किसी भी elderly person से बात करनी है, वो 8-9 years के थे, that means आपकी जितनी उम्र के थे, तब उनका घर कैसा था, वो किस चीज से बना था, from which materials they were used to making their house. So that question answers you have to ask and write it down in your textbook. Where did she or he live? First, if that unknown person is there in your neighborhood or any stranger, so you can just ask that person's name, and then you can ask that where did she or he live, that वो कहाँ पे रह रहे थे. She lived in a hut in a village, or instead of she or that person is he, that grandfather or any person is there, so you can write he lived in a hut in a village, or you can write that he was living in a kacha house. Second question: from what materials was her or his house made? उनका house जो था वो किस materials से बना हुआ था? You can write that his house was made up of bamboo, mud, wood, straw, or any other things which they have just given answer. That things also you can include in this. Next question: did she or he have a toilet in her or his house? If yes, then you can write yes. If they don't have, then you can write no, they didn't have. And if no, where was it? That means in some people's house that toilets were not available, so they were just going outside a nearby pond or outside that nearby farm. They were just going for this natural process. Next question: in which part of the houses was food cooked? घर के कौन से हिस्से में फूड कुक कर रहे थे? There was a separate kitchen. और किसी के घर पे सेपरेट किचन नहीं है, so they may be using one corner to making food, right? Next question: a lot of mud was used when नीलाबाई's house was made. Why? जो नीलाबाई का हाउस बन रहा था तो उसमें बहुत सारा मड यूज हो रहा था, तो what is the reason behind that? So let's see the answer. Mud helps to keep the house cool in summer. Summer season में mud जो हाउस का टेम्परेचर होता है वो कूल रखता है, so it is good for us. And warm in winter, so winter season में बहुत ठंड होती है, right? So at that time mud keeps the house warm. So I hope that up to this you have understood. So this question answers you have to write it in your textbook as well as in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.